Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection, as it is the most important thing in this video. And after that you can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow my steps. If not, you will have to do it right now, so either log in or sign up, because without it you will not be able to do anything in the Google Play Store. If you want to learn more how to add the Google account to the device, I highly recommend to check our tutorials about it, and then simply come back here. So if you're logged in, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see right here, for some reason we've got the list of apps which are currently installed. However, we cannot see the icons. That's okay, and actually the names. So let me try to do it again. It will be better to actually see everything. So let me try to do it, and we've got this information that something went wrong. So there are some problems, but fortunately after kind of refreshing we've got everything. So here we've got the list of installed apps, and just by tapping on updates available we can check which one we can update. So simply, of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them, but you can also find those which you want to update and mark it. So let me pick Google Chrome, let me pick Google Meet, and maybe Google TV, whatever. After marking, simply tap on this update icon right here, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be automatically installed. So the apps will be automatically updated. You do not really need to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here. You can just do whatever you want, and your device will install them in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.